Oke guys, di sini saya akan membahas Hero Brody. Langsung saja masuk gamenya.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Saya akan masuk video ini. Jangan lupa di like dan subscribe ya bro.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
The long night.
Attack-nya dulu. Kalau nggak ada target.
If only happiness could last.
Oke, kita tunggu dulu bro. Kita coba besar attack-nya.
Memories are who we are. To forget is to forgive. Oblivion doesn't grant you peace. The long night.
Iya bro. Oke guys, ini bloknya kita coba dulu.
I'm here to stay. We are just vessels for the non-stopping time.
Konten.
First blood.
Oblivion doesn't grant you
Kita coba dengan
peace.
item ya bro. Ambil dulu.
This
You have slain an enemy.
soothes me.
Banget anjir.
To forget is to forgive.
Killing spree.
Dua kali pukul. Oke, kita coba nih dengan skill satunya.
Memories are who we are.
Mega kill.
Satu ya bro.
Oblivion doesn't grant you peace.
Dia kayak melempar tombak gitu.
To forget is to forgive.
Unstoppable.
Memories are who we are.
Oke, kita coba dengan
We are just vessels for the non-stopping time.
dia seperti mengutuk
No one
berbalik.
outruns their fate. No one does.
Monster kill.
I'm here to stay.
Godlike.
Oke, di sini saya akan mencoba setiganya ya guys.
Feel what I feel.
Seperti ulti Eudora.
The long night. Feel what
Legendary.
I feel.
Semua target ya bro.
Feel what I feel. Feel what I feel. Who we are. Feel what I feel. Feel what I feel. To
Guys, sampai
forget
sini saja video
is to
saya.
forgive.
Semoga video ini bermanfaat buat kalian semua. Jangan lupa subscribe ya bro, biar saya
I'm here to stay.
Oke, guys.